Hello, good morning all. Today in this video, we are going to discuss regarding unlink ORM method in Odoo. So the unlink method is used to delete a record from the database, and let's see how we can delete a record from code in Odoo. So currently in the screen, you are seeing Odoo version 15 community edition where we are continuing our Odoo 15 development tutorial, and this can be used across all the Odoo versions. So let's see how we can delete a record from code. So I'll go to the technical, and here we have the playground, and I can write some code and click on execute button to execute the code. So if I go to the patient's model and if I refresh, you can see we have got around 16 records in the database, and let's assume if we need to delete a record. So if I will open the record with name odoomates, and here you have its ID as 73. So here I'll do one thing. I'll add self.env. The model that I have to delete is from hospital.patient, and I'll browse the record that I have to delete, that is 73. And if I click on execute, hospital.patient of 73, which is this record, and I have to delete this from the database. So what you have to do is that record set dot unlink, you simply have to call, or simply you have to trigger unlink method on that model. So I have browsed that record and triggered dot unlink method. So if I click on execute, you can see the result of unlink method is true, and if you refresh, this record will not be existing in the database. You can see the refresh is not working because that ID has been removed from the database. So I'll go back to the hospital again, and if you check, the record count has been decreased to 1. That is, initially we have 16 and now it turns to 15. Now let's try to delete this odoomates test where its ID is 72. So here in the browse method, I'll try to browse that record with ID 72, and I'll remain in the tree view, and I'll click on execute again. So the function has been executed, and currently we have 15, and if I refresh, it will be only 14. You can see the record has been deleted using unlink method. So just you have to get a record set, then call dot unlink will delete that record from the database. So I hope you understood the working of unlink method in Odoo. So if you like the video, please press the like button, have a comment. Thanks. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.